Today we have a real treat. We are in High Point at the BT Showroom, which is the parent company for Keystone Weaving and Seven, and we are going to speak with Bob and Ray McKinnon, CEO and Vice President of Merchandising respectively, about how they are bringing the two companies together and creating separate but cohesive brands for each one. Tell us how you two balance off of each other to create what is Keystone, what is Seven, what is BT?
Well, I think we both bring different talents to Keystone and Seven, and Bob has vast experience, as you know, with upholstery manufacturing and furniture manufacturing and leading and building businesses. And he's involved in the marketing, the product, really every step of the way. I'm more involved in the merchandising and interacting with the design team and putting the collections together, the concepts, and then in the end putting the showroom together.
Believe it or not, we agree more than we disagree. My motive is to have something that is going to sell, and one of my favorite little sayings is, "It's not pretty unless it sells." We are in the fashion business, and if we are not fashion forward, then they'll go somewhere else.
Talk a little bit about the aesthetic that you created for each brand.
Well, starting with Keystone, specifically since we're standing here next to the Coco Chanel boutique look, this group, our very creative design director, Kristen Steigelman, call this modern minimalist. And as it was finished and I was looking at it, it kept reminding me of just clean and classic, and I thought of Coco Chanel and how fun it would be to incorporate all these wools and linens and cottons and beautiful textures layered on one another into a whole Chanel boutique look. And you know, we did the clothes, which look vintage, and if you look at these and the designs, you could see these in the 1930s and 40s, and they're current now. And that's the whole concept of Coco Chanel. So this was really fun and exciting to work on. But as far as the branding, when we merged the businesses, we didn't want to merge the brands. And that was hugely important to us. And Keystone has a luxury boutique look. Although I say luxury, we have great value with our wools and linens and cottons. The colors are more subtle and more earthy. If you walk into Seven, they're more trendy, chic, bold pattern and color. And it's just a totally different look. You wouldn't walk into Keystone and think you're in Seven or vice versa.